Good morning, guys. So, as you could tell, I didn't get a lot of sleep because today is a 2021 turkey opener, and we're gonna go out and kill some birds. We roosted a couple birds and stuff last night and a couple days ago, so I'm gonna get fully woke up here and we're gonna kill some birds. Let's do it. So, the weather forecast didn't call for rain last night, but somehow miraculously, like our weather does, it decided to start pouring rain. But me and Dad's been hanging in there. They were gobbling their heads off yesterday morning, so they ain't gonna gobble that much during the rain. Everybody else, all the other birds, we got crows out in front of us right now, so let's hope a big old turkey does the same thing. Oh my God, there's a bunch of 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, here they come. There's the gobblers behind them. See big gobblers. Yeah. There he is. Yeah, looks like a second Yeah, he like I thought that was a hen the whole time. I didn't know. I didn't know that that was a bird.
The hen went that way. The two gobblers come down through there and then come around toward us.
So that was freaking crazy. Like I only seen two gobblers in this field. There was like 8. They come right up around the corner. I didn't even know that was a gobbler that was in the first one. I thought it was still the hen because we had a hen come around the left-hand side of us. And Dad didn't even tell me he was going to shoot. And then 2 gobblers, like, boom, right there, come right up beside us at the left-hand side. I still can't hear nothing. Oh, that's freaking awesome. Getting heavy?
He's heavy. I think he's 20-some pounds. 30.
He's a good bird.
Go down that bottom goblin.
Leave him alone till.
Yeah. I think we're better off having better luck in the morning.
Well, that was a bust. We got on that gobbler and we got on that gobbler and he come in at a dead run. I don't know what happened because he was up around here and he just come at a dead run and we was up there with a tail fan. So, I don't know. I got down here and there wasn't no bird. So,
He disappeared.
yeah, just that's what turkeys do. They do weird stuff, man. They're the world's dumbest animal, but they got the best eyesight and they're the most
They're
skittish,
smarter than we are.
apparently. So, YOLO. We can get back at it and clean Dad's bird up and get something to eat because I'm starving, I'm sweaty. Jeez, yeah. me another arrow, quick. Get the camera.
He's down.
He's down?
Yeah. Go get him. Run out there and grab him real quick. I think he's looking around.
What?
He's trying to get up. Get up. What do you want to say?
Where'd he go? I can't believe he got up and flew. That's freaking crazy. That pinwheeled him. Whew, out of shape. I can't believe he flew that far. Dude, that was by chance that I just found him. You know how many times I walked over that bird and didn't know he was there? So, we found the bird. I can't believe he flew that far. I'm breathing heavy because I'm out of shape. But Dad was trying to get the camera on him after I shot him. And then I was trying to get another arrow. And then he ended up flying off down over this hill down in there. And there was a tree that come down. I walked over this bird 50 times. Dude, that's crazy. That is crazy.
Robert said, I'm not hunting no more. He said, I'm just saving our turkeys for my people in Canada.
I can't believe he flew that far with that arrow in him like that. That's crazy, man. Oh. It's a beautiful morning, and I did not wear enough clothes for this. Alright, so I think we're gonna get this bird all cleaned up and then we're gonna go after another one. Oh, dude, that's freaking awesome. Well, I'm pretty sure that's a wrap for opener. It's been a good weekend. 2 birds down in 2 days in the same spot, and we've had a lot of action for some other birds. I think we're going to get a bite to eat and watch this field and see if they come out there, and if they do, then he's going to tail fan them and try to shoot one. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and go follow me on Instagram at Yeet Missile Media. Y'all take care.